Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove black bars on stretch resolution. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, go to the Windows search bar, type regedit and open it. Now you need to navigate over to H key local machine, expand system, expand control, set 001 and double click on control. Now you need to find the graphic drivers tab and expand it as well. After that, double click on configuration and you will see a bunch of files with different letters and numbers. Inside of these folders, there is a 32-bit value called scaling. You need to change all the scaling values to the number 3 hexadecimal. Simply double click on a folder and expand 00 folder. Again, click on the 00 folder and you will see scaling in there. Now double click on it, change its value to 3 and click OK. Now repeat the same thing for all the other folders and you are good to go. So that's basically how to remove black bars on stretch resolution. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.